Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy on the chats. We back again today, and we're gonna do a quick recap of the trade that we took yesterday, um, and then we're gonna explain the way forward from today. So today is a new day. It's the 9th of November. Um, 11 o'clock. So as you know, guys, I'm in Johannesburg, in South Africa. So that's the time zone that I'm dealing with there. Now, what happened yesterday? Um, we placed this trade. We were hoping that it might bounce here and then go all the way up there on this level. Let me check this guy here. So we anticipated that it's gonna go all the way here and then proceed to go down, but we did expect the market to go down anyway, because as I've mentioned before, that I did place a trade here and I was expecting the market to go and take profit on this level here. So we did take profit with the other accounts, but for now our main focus is this series that we're doing here of growing the $10 account. So I'm gonna show you my loss. I'm gonna post it up there on the screen, and then we're gonna see what might happen today and if there's any trade that you can take for today. So what I normally do, I just delete any previous setups that I had in mind, so we can start on a fresh zone, fresh thinking, fresh everything. So because already the market is here, broke the structure there, and now we see another break of structure there, but we're not gonna take any trade from this guy here, because we still have to get other confirmations and see if we're gonna go up or we're gonna proceed to go down. But as you can see there, it respected this level here and proceeded to go down. If maybe the market went all the way up to this point or this zone, then we would have been interested in taking sales up until it breaks this point. So for now, we're gonna let the market do its thing, and then we're gonna come back if we do see another opportunity. So right now I'm gonna hop into other markets and see which one gives us a little bit of hope for us to scalp. So on this level, on this one here, it already broke structure there and there. So even on this one, when you look at the higher time frames, there is no direction of where the market wants to go right now. So I can see that it's going up, but we have to stay to the formula that we use and see other confirmations, and then we're gonna understand how we can place a trade and everything. So on this level here, as you see, I marked all these lines there. So these are my highs. So as the market goes down, I mark these as my highs. So as soon as the market breaks this high, then I know there's gonna be a reversal that's gonna take place. So unfortunately on this market, I did analyze, but I was not around when everything happened there, so I wasn't able to take any trade that happened. But as you can see, it did break structure there, came down, respected the support level, broke the structure again, they came and made a wipe here on this level, and then it proceeded to go up. So you have to make sure that you understand these type of structures, because a market, before it changes direction. Sometimes it does come and make a wipe, and then you're gonna proceed to go to the direction it wants to go. Now, if you do want to catch this trade, you actually have to wait for a wipe to occur, and then as soon as your market breaks structures like these, keeps on breaking structures, then you're gonna eventually take your buys. So I think when I analyzed before, the market was somewhere around here. So I was waiting for the wipe to occur. So I think I was not around when all this thing happened. Because by the way, it's weekend, guys. I mean, as you can see, this happened on Friday, and then Saturday already the market was going up, and like I didn't see the opportunity. So now we're gonna check on another setup and see if we get opportunities there. Now what we see on this market when we look at the high time frame, because we're scalping, guys, we're not gonna be starting on your dailies and 4 hours and whatnot. So we're just gonna like quickly check where the market is currently is, and then we're gonna see where we can take up our opportunities there. So now as you can see on this market, I think I did analyze before here, and like this is the most recent high, and then there was a break of structure there, and then it created another high there. Let's take this guy there. We created another high here. Why this thing not? So we created another high there, and we didn't break structure here. Now when you go closer, to this market, it seems like it might come back to this level and retest there, because it was not retested and then proceed to go down. But at the moment I don't see opportunities in this chart, so we're not gonna like waste a lot of time going into what might happen or what might not happen here. Then we're gonna quickly jump to another one, and it's jump, by the way. So I did the reason I placed this trade before on this market is because I saw this break of structure there, and then the market respected our supply on this zone here. But I won't like analyze what happened before here. I'm just showing you why I took this trade. So it did respect this zone there, and then it kept making higher highs, breaking structures there and there. So my anticipation when I saw this was like, okay, so we're gonna respect another zone that was somewhere here, and then the market would proceed to go up. But unfortunately the market came all the way down, and it created what I always talk about, guys. It created a wipe here. Now after creating this wipe, and then it proceeded to go up then on that note. So right now we're gonna delete this guy. We're not interested what happened there, and then we're gonna proceed to see what we have currently right now. So because I think we might have an opportunity on this level here. So the reason being is that, let's go to our higher time frames. So this is the downtrend, as you can see, but whenever like a downtrend breaks structure, then you know a reversal is gonna take place. So as this graph was making highs there, and then this high got broken, and then now when you see patterns like this, you have to expect some sort of a reversal. So now as it came up, came back down here and respected the area here. For you to get these zones, guys, you need to go to higher time frames, and let me make an example. So let's say I hop into a 4-hour time frame and I reset chat. Now what you're gonna see this candle here. So on the previous analysis, I did mention that sometimes when you place your trade using these order blocks here, sometimes it won't catch you. Hence I use both candles, which is this one and that one. So when you put it like that, and then you're gonna have a clear picture why the market bounced off this particular zone. So that's what I was actually trying to explain. So now, possibility that this market, as soon as it broke structure there, came, respected this guy, went up, it has to come and respect this guy as well, and then go up. So since we're anticipating that this guy is gonna come and respect this level here, and we are scalping, so that's where I come in now. So we're gonna quickly hop onto the sorry about that. So we're gonna quickly hop onto our lower time frames, and then we're gonna check what's happening here. So the market was making our highs from this level. This is the high, lower high, high, going all the way up. Respected this guy and failed to break this high. Came here, broke this high, broke this low, and then created this high there, and then broke this low again. So now, so it broke this low again. Now if you're not sure if your market broke structure or what you mainly have to check is that if you see a full candle, and then at least that's a confirmation of a break of structure. But sometimes, like when there's a break of structure and there are like wicks, or like not a full candle that is breaking, like let's make an example like here. As you can see, there are wicks there. So for this one, you don't have to actually like you confirm it as like a break of structure, because it's not clear when you see wicks like this, because the market can continue going up. But when it closes outside this line, and then that's a better like confirmation of where the market is trying to go at this moment. So as I've explained it, we did our highs there, and then now we keep on breaking structures, like going on the downside. So what do we have to anticipate here? It's going down. So we have to follow the market like all the time, especially when you're scalping. Now I'm gonna have to mark my zones. So how I usually mark zone, I mark them using the full candles, because when you use the full candles, it actually like gives you like an idea why the market made what you call this thing, why the market like reversed from this point. So as you can see here, we have a full candle, so the market just touched a bit at that level and then proceeded to go down. So hence, like, I like to mark like the full candle and then you can go to your lower time frame and mark other like candles, but possibility that the market will catch you, like especially like under like 15-minute time frames, sometimes it does not happen and sometimes it does happen. So I'm gonna quickly mark these levels. These are my order blocks, guys. As I told you before, I trade the supply and demands. I mainly use the order blocks as my supply and demand zones. So as you can see, the market came here. Where's this guy? Came here, touched this zone, broke structure below there, and touched this zone also there, broke structure below there. So I expect the market to do the same on this level, touch that zone there, and create a new break of structure on this point. So without further ado, guys, we're gonna take this trade and see what's gonna happen. Hopefully it does play out. Okay, so we can also take like these levels. As the market is going up, we can also like take the trades going up on this level. Let me move this guy. Now as you can see, the market is broke structure there and on this level too. So what can happen here is that we can bounce off this supply here. If we take both of these candles, it might support there, and then we can take the trade all the way up there. Now reason being I'm not taking this guy is because the risk to reward is not like rewarding that much. Let's see if, let's say we put it down here. Okay, so we have a risk to reward of 1:3. Now when I see this guy, and then at least we can also risk this one. So we can take this trade going up to that level, and then from this level we'll take the trade going down. So I think we're gonna put 2 trades for today. So we're taking a buy here, and then we're gonna take a sell there.